Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to read Peppa Pig book named I Love You, Mommy Pig. I love you, Mommy Pig. It was very early in the morning and Peppa and George had woken up Daddy Pig and dragged him to the kitchen. We want to make Mommy a surprise breakfast, said Peppa excitedly. Yawned Daddy Pig. Well, I am an expert at making pancakes. Yippee! Cheered Peppa. Mommy loves pancakes. Upstairs, Mommy Pig was in bed. She could hear lots of noise. Bang, crash. Hee hee hee. Oops! Mommy! Shouted Peppa. We need you, Mommy. Mommy Pig got out of bed and went downstairs. We are making your surprise breakfast, Mommy, explained Peppa. But it went a bit wrong. Surprise! Mumbled Daddy Pig. How lovely, said Mommy Pig smiling. Why don't you tidy up the mess, said Mommy Pig, and I'll finish the breakfast. Mommy Pig tossed the pancake high up into the air and straight onto everyone's plate. Wow, Mommy, Peppa and George cheered. You are amazing. And these are delicious, added Daddy Pig, tacking in. Breakfast, Peppa whispered to Daddy Pig. Let's take Mommy to the beach. Great idea, Peppa, whispered Daddy Pig. It's her favorite. Mommy, cried Peppa, we are taking you on a surprise trip. How lovely, replied Mommy Pig. I'll just get my things. Mommy packed her bag. Then everyone hopped in the car. Let's go, cheered Peppa. Oh, how lovely, said Mommy Pig, stepping out of the car. The beach in the snow. Oh, sighed Peppa, it's very cold. Not to worry, said Mommy Pig. She pulled out nice warm clothes for everyone, and then a table, some chairs, and lots of toys. Thank you, Mommy, said Peppa. Peppa built a snow castle while George and Daddy Pig played catch. You relax, Mommy, said Daddy Pig. George, catch! The ball flew through the air and was about to land on the Peppa's snow castle. Mommy! Shouted Peppa. We need you, Mommy. Mommy Pig jumped up and caught the ball just in time. Ooh, wow, Mommy, gasped Peppa. You are brilliant. How about we have a nice lunch? Suggested Daddy Pig, getting the picnic things out. But just as everyone was about to eat, there was a great gust of wind. Whoosh! The food was whispered off the table and up in the air. Mommy! Cried Peppa. We need you, Mommy. Mommy Pig grabbed the umbrella and used it to catch the picnic food. Wow, Mommy! Gasped Peppa. You are so clever. Let's throw snowballs into the sea, said Peppa after they had eaten. So Daddy Pig, Peppa and George headed off to the sea, while Mommy Pig reached her book. Daddy Pig and Peppa had lots of fun. But when it was George's turn, he accidentally threw Mr. Dinosaur into the sea instead. Wah! Sobbed George, watching his dinosaur float away. Mommy! Cried Peppa. We need you, Mommy. Plonk, splash! Peppa and George and Daddy Pig dried Mommy Pig with towels and soon she was nice and warm. I think it's time to head home, said Daddy Pig. Good idea, agreed Mommy Pig, packing up the things. Goodbye, snowy beach, sang Peppa all the way home. After dinner, Mommy and Daddy Pig helped Peppa and George get ready for bed. Then they tucked them in with a story. Good night, Peppa. Good night, George, said Mommy Pig. Good night, bestest Mommy in the whole world, giggled Peppa. Mommy and Daddy Pig headed downstairs, but just as they sat down, they heard Peppa shout, Mommy! We need you, Mommy. So Mommy Pig went back upstairs. Yes, Peppa. I love you, Mommy, said Peppa, giving Mommy Pig a great big hug. Ooh, you, Mommy Egg, said George, and he gave her a big hug too. I love you both, said Mommy Pig, very much. Now good night, and I'll see you in the morning. This is for you, said Daddy Pig, giving Mummy Pig a present. Mummy Pig opened it. Mummy Pig opened it to find a great big bar of chocolate inside. Ooh, thank you, she said, delighted. Then she unwrapped the bar and saw that something had already had a little nibble. Daddy Pig, she said, smiling. Daddy Pig looked very guilty and went bright red. I love you, Mummy Pig.